In this video, I will teach you how to connect Facebook leads to Zoho CRM. Before anything else, you must have an account for Zoho CRM. So if you have an account already, you just have to go to the website and sign in. If you don't have any account yet on Zoho CRM, you just have to go to the website and click Get Started Now. Fill in your name, email, and company info and sign up. You have to complete any email verification to reach your CRM dashboard. For Zapier or this third-party platform like Zapier and LeadsBridge, you just have to visit the website and click sign up and enter your email, create your password, or sign in if you have an account already. The next thing you have to do is to go to your third-party app, specifically Zapier or LeadsBridge. So in this case, we will use Zapier. So in Zapier, you just have to create Zap and choose Facebook lead apps. You just have to go to the new lead and connect your Facebook account to select the page and lead form to capture data. Because in Zapier, you can build and ship AI workflows in minutes. No IT bottlenecks, no complexity, just results for your Facebook leads ads. For your action app, you just have to choose Zoho CRM and create lead or update lead as needed and connect your Zoho CRM account. Somehow you may need to enter your Zoho domain to authorize all of these things. In Zapier, you must map key Facebook lead fields like name, email, or phone to the corresponding fields in Zoho CRM. You can send a test lead for Facebook or use the test button in Zapier. To confirm the test data, have to click on confirm the test data and it will show correctly in Zoho CRM under the leads module. From now on, every time a lead is submitted via your Facebook lead form, it will automatically create a lead in Zoho CRM. No manual work needed. That's all there is today. Hope we helped.